This nut milk maker just arrived in the mail, so we're going to unbox it together and see how easy or difficult it is to make soy milk with it. I'm really excited to try this out, and it's the perfect timing because where I live right now, it's literally almost 100 degrees, so a nice cold glass of soy milk is going to be really refreshing. Let's go. It comes with a lifetime warranty along with a guaranteed 1-day replacement, so that's really nice to have. Ooh, there we go. This jug definitely has some weight to it because inside it contains the metal blades and also the heating plates. To give you a visual idea of what 20 ounces looks like, this is what the inside of the container is like. About half of it is taken up by the blades and the different mechanisms needed to create the milk, and the other half is the container where it's going to contain and house the delicious nut or soy milk. The box comes with a manual that conveniently also has recipes, and it also comes with a metal tablespoon measuring spoon. As you can see, it's a 1-to-1 ratio of soybeans to water to create soy milk. The pitcher can contain up to 800 milliliters, which is about 4 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and put 4 tablespoons of soybeans in, fill up the pitcher to the top, and then I'm going to run it on boil because for soy milk, it has to be pasteurized in order to be safe to drink. Start, and that's it. Looks like we're gonna come back in about half an hour. It finished creating the soy milk. It looks like it went to a default mode and it overboiled a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up to see inside. Oh, that's looking delicious. It smells perfect. Soy milk specifically needs to be strained because it produces a pulp, as you can see on the overboiled part here. Thankfully, the pitcher comes with both 100 micron and 200 micron filter mesh bags, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain it with the 200 filter mesh bag. And as a pro tip, I'm gonna save the pulp because it's something that you can cook separately called okra. I've put the 200 micron mesh filter into my pitcher. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the milk. That is straining beautifully. As you can see here, as I lift the bag and squeeze, it is very, very easy to strain. In just a few minutes, I now have my soy milk completely separate from the soy pulp or the okra. Now all there's left to do is a final taste test. Here we go, fresh soy milk taste test. That is the perfect way to end the day. Before buying this machine, I was making all my soy milk by putting the beans in a blender and then straining and pasteurizing it all by hand, which would take me an hour minimum of actively working on creating the soy milk. And though using the manual method, I was able to produce 1 gallon of soy milk every time, I would much rather create 1 quart of soy milk at the press of a button and passively wait 22 minutes than ever have to manually strain and pasteurize my soy milk by hand ever again. Also, by using this machine to strain the soy milk after it's already been pasteurized, it's honestly able to produce a much cleaner and clearer soy milk than I ever was able to manually, in which I had to first strain the soy milk and then pasteurize it to avoid burning my hands. So if you're looking for an easy and relatively quick way to make your own nut or soy milk at home, pick up this machine for yourself. It is worth every dollar.